Hello everyone, welcome to the another video of Tech Skill with Milan. Today in this video, we will be configuring routing protocol called OSPF. So without any further delay, let's move on to the video. To configure the OSPF, we will have to build a basic configuration structure. So let's build that first. For the configuration, let's take two routers and two switches. So here are two switches and take two PCs for each switches. Okay, so let's go. So let's connect all of these with copper straight through cable. Okay, for router to router connection, we will have serial connection. So let's configure the serial ports. Zoom in, turn this off and add the serial port here. Okay, we will add cover also to cover in this part and turn on the switch. Okay, so you have to do this. So same goes for the another router. We just need to turn this off, add the NM2T port. So you can add this here too, so no problem wherever you add. So I'll just have to add cover, turn on the router, and let's connect these with serial port. Okay, this is serial DCE cable, so we will connect those routers with this cable, serial 20 to serial 20. Okay, so this will be our basic structure for OSPF configuration. Okay. Okay, so let's configure the PC. Okay, so let's go to desktop, IP configuration, static. We will provide 192.168.50.2 here, and as we know, default gateway will be 192.168.50.1. so this will be our gateway. Okay, so let's go to another PC, desktop, IP configuration, 168.50.3, and this gateway is say 192.168.50.1. Okay, so let's configure these two PCs also. The IP address is 200.200. Sorry, 200.100.101.7. Okay, and its gateway is 200.100.101.5. .5 will be its gateway. Okay, so let's go to this PC, desktop, IP configuration. So we have 200.100.101.6 as its IP address and 5 as its gateway. 200.100.101.5 as its gateway. So all our PCs have been assigned IP address. So let's go to the router. Okay, router CLI. We type no here. Enable command. Configure terminal. So let's give it host name. Host name. Okay, R1. Okay, R1. So let's go to the interface. Gigabit 0/0/0. So interface gigabit 0/0/0. Okay, so we have to add IP. The command will be IP add 192.168.50.1 space we need to give subnet marks 255.255.255.0. So enter here, no short, and do right. Okay, do right. So exit. So let's do the serial port IP address assignment also. Okay, so go to interface serial 0/2/0. So here you will give IP address. The IP address is 10.10. Sorry, 10.10.10.10. So this is class A IP. So subnet marks will be 255.0.0.0. Since this is class A IP address. Okay. So enter. We will give clock rate. Clock rate will be, let's give it the minimum 72,000. No short, and do write command. Okay. Okay, let's exit. And the IP assignment and this R1 router is done. Okay, so let's go to R2 router. Go to CLI, enter no. So enable command and config T. Config T. So we have to go to interface, gigabit 0/0/0. Okay, so IP add. So the IP address for this is 200.100.101.5. Okay, it is 200.100.101.5. Space the subnet marks 255.255.255.0. This is class C IP address. So simply do no shut and do right. So we have done the connection on gigabit Ethernet. So let's configure the serial port also. Okay, just to for the serial port, go to interface serial 0/2/0. Okay, so IP address will be 10.10.10.20. Oh, sorry, I forgot to give the subnet marks. So we should give 255.0.0.0. This is our subnet marks for class A IP address. So we don't need to give the clock rate because we have already given it in router 1. So simply do no short, and do right command. Do right. Okay, so our serial connection is also done. Okay, so this is our simple configuration for OSPF connection. So let's see, from this PC we go to command prompt, and let's ping this adjacent PC, which is this. So we ping 192.168.50.3. So it will have the reply. Okay, reply from this PC. It can have the reply from this PC. Okay, so from this same PC, let us ping this PC. Okay, PC 6, that is 200.100.101.7. Okay, so ping 200.100.101.7. Okay, so it says destination host unreachable. It is showing this message because the packet is coming here, but this router is not forwarding the packet to another router because we don't have any routing protocol configured in this router. So as a routing protocol, we will configure OSPF configuration on this router so that we can communicate between two topologies, right? Two routers or two PCs or two different network. Okay, so let's go to this router CLI. So we are in configure mode, right? So we have to type the command router OSPF. So we are going configure OSPF. So we'll write OSPF and we have to give the OSPF number. So for simple we will give 100. Okay, you can do 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 as you like. Okay, so I'm going to give 100 here. So second line command will be network address. Which network address we have to communicate? That is 192.168.50.0 network address, right? So we will type network 192.168.50.0, and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. So we have this. After providing IP address, network address, and subnet mask, we have to say where we have to connect these networks. We have to connect these networks to area 0. So let's type area 0 and enter. So similarly we have to do the same for the path, that is this one, right? This is the serial path, so we have to add this serial path to the area 02. So let's do that. network. Let's do the serial port connection here also. The serial port connection will be 10.0.0.0, because this is class A. We will only take network bit, and host bit will be 0. So the subnet mask of class A is 255.0.0.0 space. We have to connect these to area 0. Area 0. So this much we have to do in router 1. So let's go to router 2. Okay, in router 2 we simply exit. Okay, so we are in configure mode. So type router OSPF. So we have given the number 100 in the previous router, so we have to give the 100 number here too, because we are going to connect them into the same network. So 100. So network what is our network address here? The network address will be 200.101.0. Okay, so 200.100.101.0 will be our network address, and we have to provide the subnet mask also, that is 255.255.255.0. So we have to connect these to area 0. Okay, so again we have to connect the serial port. That will be same as the previous router. So just type network, that is 10.0.0.0 space subnet mask, that will be 255.0.0.0, and we have to connect these to area 0. Okay, so simply entering this command, it will show the line loading successful or loading done message here. So let's wait for a moment. So here you can see it says the loading full, loading done command. So if we go to this mode and write the command, so IP OSPF, so it will show. Okay, so there are normal number of interfaces in this area, that is, so we have connected to backbone area, that is area 0, right? We have connected two interfaces in area 0, that is, so here it says the two interfaces in area 0. So we don't have set any passwords, we didn't set any passwords, so this area has no authentication, so you can simply access this area. Okay, so you can see details here. Okay, so let's test whether the OSPF configuration is working or not. Okay, so let's go to this PC command prompt, right? So let's ping the same PC that we have pinged before the configuration. Okay, so this PC we are doing a ping request to this PC. So before OSPF configuration, it says that the destination host unreachable. So after OSPF configuration, let's see what will be the output. Maybe the first packet will be failed. Yes, the first packet will be failed, and other packet we have reply from this PC. So let's ping the adjacent PC, that is 200.100.1.6. So simply do press the up key and change it to 6. Okay. So we are having reply from both PCs. So guys, by following these steps, we have successfully configured the OSPF routing protocol on 2 routers. So this is it for today's video. Hope you guys like it, and thank you for watching the video. Please do subscribe, hit the like button and hit the notification button so you never miss an update from us. Thank you. Bye bye.